eating, bro.
I told you. I told you. Welcome home.
First of all, they wanted the kids to come in. They said, no, we wanted to come into the
And
community.
she cooks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What did we cook?
I did jollof rice, pasta, mac and cheese, goat meat, and some sweet and sour chicken, and some vegetables. So it's really good. I have really good reviews.
Okay, great. So, we
Thank you
just,
very much.
Thank you.
we're gonna just show you. We have over 13 million children who would never have an opportunity to go to school.
Chic style. Are you ready? Oh yeah, now. So we do it like this.